Hello students, our next topic is multiple alleles. So what are multiple alleles? Multiple alleles is when more than two alleles can code for a gene. So in multiple alleles we have more than two alleles. We have studied that at max two alleles used to be there. Till now what we have studied, two alleles used to be there and these two are used to be contrasting alleles. But here in multiple alleles we have more than two alleles. For example, we have seen the human blood group, ABO blood grouping in human beings. There we have seen three alleles were there. We have A, B and O. So this was an example of multiple alleles. So in multiple alleles, a particular gene, it may exist in three or more allelic form. Apart from blood group in human, ABO blood group in human, another example is the eye color in Drosophila. So Drosophila or the fruit fly, we can say, their eye color, it is an example of multiple alleles. We can have many alleles for this eye color in Drosophila. Approx we can have like phenotype, either the eye color will be white, either it will be blood color or wine color or cherry or apricot. So we have many different types of phenotype for those eye color in Drosophila. Another you can also have examples of the in wheat plant, the seed storage protein is an example of multiple alleles. So in wheat plant, the storage of protein is also an example of multiple alleles. Next, gene mutation may produce many different alleles of a gene. So how it is occurring multiple alleles? Because of the gene mutation. So gene mutation may produce many different alleles of a particular gene. Some genes may have as many as 300 alleles. So we can have, it is more than 2, right? So we can have as many as 300, up to 300 alleles also for a particular gene. All such alternative form of a gene whose number is more than 2 are called as multiple alleles. Any two of these multiple alleles can be present in the genome of haploid organism. See, we have more than 2 or 3 or more alleles in a particular, for a particular gene, but in a diploid organism, out of all these 2 will be present. But a haploid organism or a gamete can have just one of them in its gene, and in haploid it will have only one out of those alleles in its gene. So basically you need to remember what exactly multiple alleles are. That we have seen that multiple alleles is when more than 2 alleles can code for a particular gene. And the examples such as the human ABO blood group, where we have seen 3 alleles, the eye color in Drosophila, these are the examples of multiple alleles.